Honorable Prime Minister, as you've said, Kenya and Jamaica share a legacy of strong, cordial, bilateral, and people-to-people relations that have been developed and strengthened over years. Indeed, as you have said, this relationship stems back well before our two countries' respective independence and during the period of struggle, where men like Marcus Garvey were an inspiration to the forefathers of our independence, and men like Dudley Thomas were at the center of the struggle, giving legal counsel to some of those who had been wrongly imprisoned by the colonialists at the time, including my own father. So being here is both, for me, personal, a moment of personal joy, but also one that seeks to reestablish those old links for the betterment of the peoples of our two countries, and in order to increase and deepen that bond or those bonds of friendship that were established those many years ago. Indeed, as the Prime Minister has said, we have had the opportunity to meet on the sidelines of several international meetings, including the G7 summit in Quebec, but also on the margins of the United Nations General Assembly in New York. And at each time, we resolved that we must work even closer for the benefit of our two sister nations.